Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a website. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of creating a website from scratch. Step 1. Choose a platform. The first thing you need to do is choose a platform to build your website on. There are several options to choose from, but for this tutorial, we'll be using WordPress. Step 2. Choose a domain name and hosting. Next, you'll need to choose a domain name for your website. Your domain name is the web address that people will use to find your website. You'll also need to choose a hosting provider to host your website. Hosting is where your website's files are stored. Step 3. Install WordPress. Once you've chosen your domain name and hosting provider, you'll need to install WordPress. This is a simple process that can usually be done with just a few clicks. Step 4. Choose a theme. WordPress has thousands of free and paid themes to choose from. A theme is a pre-designed template that you can use to customize the look and feel of your website. Step 5. Install plugins. Plugins are small pieces of software that add functionality to your website. There are thousands of plugins available for WordPress, and they can do everything from improving your website speed to adding social media buttons. Step 6. Customize your website. Now that you have your theme and plugins installed, it's time to customize your website. This includes adding pages, posts, and images, and making changes to the design and layout. Step 7. Launch your website. Once you're happy with your website, it's time to launch it. You'll need to make sure that your website is optimized for search engines, and that it's mobile friendly. Congratulations! You've just created a website. While there is a lot more you can do to improve your website, these steps will give you a solid foundation to build on. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful.